So by the end of this video, you guys are going to learn what's going on with Apple and answering that main question of should you invest in it. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, new to the team, we talk about everything money, stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe, join the team. So let's jump into this. So for those of you that don't know what's been going on with Apple, well, let me tell you, some news has came out. The stock has seen a decent amount of sell-off, selling off from about 190 all the way down to about 176. Now, you might be saying, Carter, that's not much in the grand scheme of things. Well, for a massive tech giant like Apple that is worth over $2 trillion, that is billions of dollars in market cap, gone like that. Now, with that being said, why did we get so much sell-off? Well, an article came out pretty much explaining what's going on. The reason why we're getting so much sell-off off of Apple is because China has banned the use of their iPhones by government employees. So anytime you put fear into the market with Apple or any stock really, you're gonna get sell-off. And what a lot of investors and people are nervous about is right now the conflict right now we're facing with Apple and China. Because if that's just say China goes out and they just ban the iPhone, they ban the iPhone in the whole country. Let's just say they do that, right? That makes up about 18% of Apple's revenue. That is the third largest country that Apple is actually in. So with that being said, I really believe that it's very unlikely that we're going to see that, but it's just, there is that situation and there is that thing that sits in the back of my mind saying, if they ban this, Apple stock is just going to get annihilated. So that's one of the reasons why we're just getting massive amounts of sell-off. With that being said, another issue right now we're facing is China in general. Right now, there is a lot of conflict with their economy. They are facing super high unemployment, over 22%. They've actually just stopped recording it because it's so incredibly bad. So I think that is another reason we're getting tension with Apple in China, just because Apple does a lot of work overseas in China. They do a lot of their, supplying, they do a lot of their production there and manufacturing. So I think if there is issues with China's economy, we're going to see it in the United States. Apple is the largest exporter of goods. There is going to be issues that we see. But should you invest into Apple? For me, I think Apple is a GOAT. Obviously, this thing is the bread and butter of the S&P. It has a decent dividend. It always has done very, very well. It's like investing into, technology, software, artificial intelligence. Apple has been investing into that for years, and I just think you can't go wrong with investing in it. But yeah, we could see some short-term volatility in the next couple of months. We could see some, opportunities to actually buy Apple at just a more affordable price. Why would you want to buy Apple at $190 when it sold off to $176? If anything, you should be extremely grateful that we're getting this amount of sell-off, just because you can buy it at a cheaper price. It's like if I wanted to buy this camera, right? If I wanted to buy this camera, and let's just say every couple of years it goes on sale, maybe I would hold off and try to buy this camera at a cheaper price. That's just a small example, but with a tech company like Apple, I don't believe it's going anywhere anytime soon. We could see some volatility, but Apple has billions of dollars in cash. They're a smart company. Tim Cook is an amazing CEO, and I just think it's a good opportunity to possibly start buying Apple now at some cheaper prices. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.